Hello guys, welcome back to computer science. It is our third class and today we are going to study Marquee tag. So first of all, let's focus on the slides. Marquee. We've got few attributes of Marquee tag in HTML5. Here is the structure of Marquee tag. We start a Marquee tag like this. In the middle of Marquee tag, we write our text and close the Marquee tag like this. We have got few attributes of Marquee tag as well, like bgcolor, the same as we already have studied it in the body. Bgcolor is equal to whatever you wish, text, and after that we have to close the Marquee tag. The same we can use direction. Like Marquee tag is a tag which we use for navigations. Mostly the text moves from one side to another side. The same here in the direction we can choose from which side should our text move. Like we can choose left, Marquee direction left. After that we can type our text and close the Marquee tag. The same we can choose right in order to start the movement of the Marquee tag from the right side. The same we have up and down. In this case we have to choose the height and the width of the Marquee tag in order to see the movement of the Marquee tag up and down. The same I have typed here like Marquee direction up, and I've chosen the height 550, width is equal to 150. Here I can write down my text and I have to close the Marquee tag here. And the same as we are using it for the up direction, we can use the same here for the down direction as well. Marquee direction down, height 550 with 150, text Marquee. We are going to study all these things practically later. And one thing more, we can also control the speed of our Marquee tag. Scrollamount is used in order to speed up our text in the Marquee tag. Scroll delay tag is used for in order to slow down the speed of our text in the Marquee tag. One thing more we have behavior. Behavior is something in behavior mostly we use these two, like alternate and slide. What this alternate do, it will start moving on the opposite side once it touches the border of the web page. Let's suppose our Marquee tag starts from here, it will move like here. Once it touches this border of the web page, it will start moving the opposite side, like again from this side. And the slide, once it starts moving from one side, once it reaches the border of the web page, once it touches the border of the page, it will stop moving and it will be stopped there. So let's come and study all these things practically. I'm going to click right on my desktop, come to new and new text document. I have to name it like third web page and change the extension to HTML. Save. Yeah, in order to make it faster, I'm just going to my previous page and I will just copy the structure of the web page from here. I'll close it, come to third, I will paste it here. I have to erase all the headings. So this is the structure of our web page. It is the third web page or third lesson. I'll name it like this. I'll save it. Marquee. Welcome to Marquee. After that I will close Marquee. I'll save it. Let's go and run it in Chrome. Yeah, you guys can see that welcome to Marquee. This is our first Marquee tag. Let's come here and I would like to change its color like the same bgcolor as we stated earlier. I'll choose yellow. save it. You will see that the background color will be changed to yellow. We have an attribute by the name of direction. Direction is equal to, as we can see that our text is moving from left to right, so let's change the direction to right, and save it. Let's refresh it. You can see the direction has been changed from right to left. The same we can let's take another marquee tag. Let's use another marquee tag. I'll copy it and paste it here. I'll do like that, welcome back to marquee, and here is right. I'll type like left, save it. You can say it's welcome back to marquee, which is moving from left side to right, and the first one is moving from right side to left. I will paste it once more, and I'll change the direction from right to down. I'll save it and let's refresh it. Yeah, you can see that the text is moving from top to down, but here we have to add another attribute by the name of height is equal to, let's suppose 550, and width is equal to like 150. Save it. Let's see what happens. Yeah, now we can see that this tag, this welcome to marquee, this tag is moving from top to bottom, and the same we can use from bottom to top. Let's copy this line, paste it here, and change the direction from down to up, and also let's change its color to brown. Save it. Let's see the difference, the changes. See the changes. Yeah, you can see that the background color of this tag has been changed to brown, and the text is moving from bottom to upside to up. We have another attribute as well by the name of scroll amount and scroll delay. Let's use it in order to control the speed of our text. Scroll amount is equal to 100. Let's save it. It is this tag. Oh, you can see the speed of this tag. It has been very fast. Let's change it. Let's change it to 30. Save it, and let's see it. Yeah, it's readable now. And let's use scroll delay here. It's equal to 150. Save it. Let's see. So the speed of this tag has been slowed down, and you can see the speed of this tag and also the speed of this. You can see the difference. It has been slowed down. So these were some attributes like bgcolor, direction, right, left, down, up, scroll delay, and scroll amount. And in the last we are going to study about the behavior of marquee tag. Let's suppose we have this tag. Let's copy and paste it here. I will change the color, background color in order to let you guys know better. Let's change it to red. Save it, and let's change its behavior. Behavior is equal to alternate, and you guys will see the difference here. Let's come to browser and refresh it. Yeah, you will see once this text touches this part of the website, it's starts moving on the opposite side. And the same we have another behavior by the name of slide. Let's decrease its speeds to 10. Save it, and I've already changed the behavior to slide from alternate. You guys will see that it will start moving from one side and it will stop moving once it touches the border of the web page. Yeah, you can see that it has been stopped here. So this was all our lesson today about Marquee tag. Hopefully you have learned it and you have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.